5 essential car products for road trips. Autodoc. 1. A jack and a wheel wrench. For example, you may need them to replace a flat tire with the spare one. Before leaving, make sure that you have these tools in your car and they're in working order. Finding the tools is easy. As a rule, they're located in the boot, under the floor cover near the spare wheel. The following types of jacks are the most popular ones. Mechanical. Characterized by their simple designs, compact and light. Autodoc app. All car parts at the lowest prices on your phone. Try it for yourself. Less stable than other types. Hydraulic. They lift the vehicle quickly and ensure stability, but they're bulky. Suitable for commercial vehicles or use in workshops. The following tools are used to remove the wheel. An L-shaped lug wrench, the most common and affordable tool. Extendable ones are also available. Compact and easy to use. Perfect for traveling. A spider wrench. Universal due to its design and set of sockets of various sizes. Takes up more space than the first tool. Tommy bar plus suitable socket. Suitable for removing oxidized or over-tightened fasteners. Tommy bars are universal. Together with a set of sockets, a Tommy bar will also come in handy for car repairs. Two, a tow strap. Even if you're not planning on driving off-road, put a tow strap in your boot. This way, you'll be able to get help if your car breaks down on the way or rescue another driver. These accessories are made from different materials. Nylon. Moisture resistant and able to withstand heavy loads. Durable but expensive. Natural or synthetic fibers. These straps are compact and affordable. They tear under heavy loads and are not water resistant. Polypropylene or polyamide, lightweight and elastic. Withstand heavy loads and effectively dampen and soften jerks. Subject to wear. Important. Always consider the maximum load when using it. Three, jumper cable / jump starter. They make it possible to start the engine if the battery dies. High quality and reliable cables are made of copper with thermoplastic insulation. When choosing a product, consider the following. Length. They have to be long enough to connect to another vehicle. Engine displacement / the cable cross-section. Manufacturers often specify which engines the cables are designed for. You should choose a jump starter based on the following factors. Capacitance. The higher it is, the more charge is stored in the device. Starting current. The higher it is, the smoother the engine will start. Extra features, gadget chargers, lighting, etc. Size. Travel products shouldn't take up too much space or be too heavy. Tyre inflator / emergency tyre sealer and inflator spray / spare wheel. Electric and mechanical tyre inflators are available. The former are more expensive, but they get the job done much quicker. Mechanical tyre inflators are affordable, but require more time and effort to pump up the tyres. It's up to you to decide whether to save money on this or not. Not all vehicles have a spare wheel, so you can use a sealant and inflator spray instead of a pump to fix a flat tyre in case of an emergency. It allows you to restore the tyre pressure without removing the tyre. You can buy a tyre inflator or emergency tyre sealer and inflator spray from Autodoc without needing to wait for prices to drop. Why? Our prices are always fair. Every customer saves money. Important. If your car has a space-saver spare tyre, do not exceed the speed limit indicated on it. This is crucial for your safety and the safety of other road users. 5. A car first aid kit, fire extinguisher, warning triangle and high visibility jacket. Before traveling, check whether there's a first aid kit in your boot, as well as its expiry date. Put the high visibility jacket inside the car so that it's always within reach. Make sure that the warning triangle is intact. Check the fire extinguisher's expiry date. We wish you a pleasant journey and an enjoyable experience. Autodoc will be there for you 24/7 in the app.